For nearly a century, Sparkler Filters has stood as a pillar of American-made quality in industrial solid liquid separation. Located just outside Houston, Texas, Sparkler designs, engineers, and manufactures custom-built filtration systems trusted around the world, all crafted to the highest ASME and National Board certification standards. Inside our 80,000 square foot facility, every weld, every cut, and every component is handled with precision and pride. From advanced machining to custom pressure vessel assembly, Sparkler embodies American craftsmanship built for long-term performance, unmatched reliability, and maximum safety. But Sparkler is more than just high-quality steel and certified welds. We're your partner in process and manufacturing success. With over 24,000 successful installations, our expert engineers work alongside you, from first consultation to startup and every challenge beyond, delivering solutions custom-built for your application, your process, and your facility, backed by expert field service and lifetime technical support. When you choose Sparkler, you're committing to project success. You're choosing a partner dedicated to meeting your expectations, exceeding your throughput, and safeguarding your product clarity for decades to come. Sparkler Filters, proudly made in the USA, trusted by industries worldwide.